It's day 11, and it's time to clean your bike. Growing up, my dad told me that if you cared about something, you would take care of it. That includes your bike. With that said, after a few hundred miles this month, my hog was dirty. You will need some dish soap, bike degreaser, and chain lube. Get a bucket of suds going. Start by degreasing your chain. Wipe the whole thing down with suds. Make sure you get all the nooks and crannies, especially the cranny. Hose it down. Since you degreased, it's time to reapply a layer of grease. Add the chain lube. This will prevent squeaks. It's like new again. Time to ride off into the sunset.